We have studied the principal solutions and general solutions. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.1. Here question number 1, find the principal solution of the following equations. First example is cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. We know that cos of pi by 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 and pi by 3 that belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 3 is one of the solution of the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. Now, by allied angle formulae, that cos of 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, cos of 2 pi minus, here we replace these both thetas by pi by 3, that is pi by 3 is equal to cos of pi by 3. As we know that cos of pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. Therefore, here we write 1 upon 2. And here we take cross product. Therefore, cos of, that is 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3. That the equation cos of pi by 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. And here we get cos of 5 pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. Their right sides are equal. Therefore, here we write cos of 5 pi by 3 is equal to cos of pi by 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. That both the values, that pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, both the cosine values are 1 upon 2, and that 5 pi by 3 belongs to, lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 3 is the another principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now we solve the next example. Sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3. That sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3, that is cos theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Okay, and we know that cos of pi by 6 is equal to root 3 divided by 2, and pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 6 is one of the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now, by using allied angle formula, cos of 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here we replace both the thetas by pi by 6. Therefore, here we get cos of 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to cos of pi by 6. Therefore, cos of, here we take cross multiplication, that 2 pi into 6, that is 12 pi. 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi. 11 pi divided by 6 is equal to cos of pi by 6, that cos of pi by 6 is root 3 divided by 2. Here cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, and cos of 11 pi by 6 is also root 3 divided by 2. Their right hand sides are equal. Therefore, we write their left hand sides equal. Therefore, cos theta is equal to cos of 11 pi by 6. And that 11 pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, that theta is equal to 11 pi by 6 is another solution, principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now we solve the next example, that is cot theta is equal to root 3. That is tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore, we know that tan of pi by 6 is equal to 1 upon root 3, and pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 6 is one of the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now we find the another solution using allied angle formula. By allied angle formula, tan of pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. In the both sides, again we replace here this theta by pi by 6. Therefore, tan of pi plus pi by 6 is equal to tan of pi by 6. Therefore, tan of, here we take cross product, that 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi by 6 is equal to that tan pi by 6, value of that tan pi by 6 is 1 upon root 3. Here we substitute 1 upon root 3. Therefore, tan of 7 pi by 6 is also 1 upon root 3. Given equation is tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. The right hand sides are equal. Therefore, we write the equality of their left hand sides, that is tan theta is equal to tan of 7 pi by 6. And 7 pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 7 pi by 6 is another solution for given trigonometric equation. Principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Okay, now we are going to solve the next example, that is cot theta is equal to 0. That cot theta is equal to 0 implies tan theta is equal to 0, or directly here we write that is cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to 0. That cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 0 implies this is the fraction. Okay, therefore that fraction has denominator cannot be, its value is 0. Therefore its numerator must be 0. If we take denominator is equal to 0, then this fraction becomes infinite. That will give its numerator is 0. That is cos theta is equal to 0. And we have the solution for cos theta is equal to 0. That cos theta is equal to 0 for cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is equal to 0, and that pi by 2 belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2 is one of the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Now we find the second solution, second principal solution by using allied angle formula. By allied angle formula, cos of 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here we replace this theta by pi by 2. Therefore, cos of 2 pi minus pi by 2 is equal to cos of pi by 2. Therefore, cos of, that is cross multiplication gives, that is 3 pi by 2 is equal to that cos pi by 2. We know that cos pi by 2 is 0. Therefore, the two equation that cos theta is equal to 0 and cos of 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, that both the equation have their right hand sides equal. Therefore, we write the equality of their left hand sides, that is cos theta is equal to cos of 3 pi by 2. Okay, that gives theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 because that 3 pi by 2 is also lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 is the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Okay. Now we solve the next question, that question number 2. Find the principal solution of the following equations. The first example is sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, here given that right hand side is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, we have the trigonometric ratios, that all trigonometric ratios, that is for 30 degree, 60 degree, that we know the values are positive, but here given is minus. Therefore, we know that sin of pi by 6 is plus 1 upon 2. We use this for finding the solution of given trigonometric equation by using allied angle formula. By using allied angle formula, that sin of pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and sin of 2 pi minus theta is minus sin theta. Here we replace this theta by pi by 6. Therefore, here we get sin of pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus sin pi by 6. Therefore, sin of, after cross multiplication, here we get 7 pi by 6 is equal to minus of, we have the value of this sin of pi by 6. That value of sin of pi by 6 is 1 upon 2. Therefore, here we get sin of 7 pi by 6 is minus 1 upon 2. Here given sin theta is minus 1 upon 2. Both the equation have their right hand sides equal. Therefore, we write the equality of their left hand sides, that is sin theta is equal to sin of 7 pi by 6, and that 7 pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 7 pi by 6 is one of the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. And for finding another solution, we solve this is that sin of, here also we replace this theta by pi by 6. Therefore, sin of 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus of sin of pi by 6. Therefore, that sine of, after cross multiplication, here we get that 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 6 is equal to minus of, here we substitute the value of sine pi by 6, that is 1 upon 2. Therefore, in the right hand side, here we get minus 1 upon 2, and here also sine theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Both the right hand sides equal, therefore we write the equality of their left hand sides, that is sine theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Sine theta is equal to sine of 11 pi by 6, and 11 pi by 6 belongs to, or it lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, that theta is equal to 11 pi by 6 is also the principal solution for given trigonometric equation sine theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now we solve another example, that is tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. We know tan of pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, by using allied angle formula, that tan of pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, and tan of 2 pi minus theta is also minus tan theta. Here we substitute this theta by pi by 4, that is tan of pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus tan pi by 4. And here also we replace theta, that is 2 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus of tan pi by 4. Therefore, tan of, here we take cross multiplication, that will give that 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi divided by 4 is equal to, what is tan pi by 4? That tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore, in the right hand side, here we get minus 1. And here, that tan of, we take cross multiplication, that is 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi by 4 is equal to minus of, that tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore, here we get minus 1. There, tan theta is equal to minus 1. Here, tan of 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Their right hand sides are equal. We write their equality of left hand sides, that is tan theta is equal to 3 tan of 3 pi by 4. Okay, therefore, and this 3 pi by 4 is belongs to, or it lies between 0 to 2 pi, shows that theta is equal to 3 pi by 4 is one of the principal solution of given trigonometric equation tan theta is equal to minus 1. And here that tan of 7 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. The right hand sides of these two equations are equal. We write the equality of their left hand sides, that is tan theta is equal to tan of 7 pi by 4. Okay, and that 7 pi by 4 is also less than 2 pi and greater than 2. That is 7 pi by 4 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 7 pi by 4 is also the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. Next example is root 3 cosec of theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore that root 3 cosec theta is equal to minus 2. That gives cosec theta is equal to minus of 2 divided by root 3. That is sin theta is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. That we have to find the principal solution for trigonometric equation root 3 cosec theta plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, we have to find the principal solution for trigonometric equation sin theta is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. Now we find the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. As we know, sin of pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, and by allied angle formula, sin of pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and sin of 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Therefore, here we replace this theta by pi by 3. Therefore, here we get sin of pi plus pi by 3 is equal to minus sin pi by 3, and sin of 2 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to minus sin pi by 3. Therefore, here we take cross product, that is sin of that pi into 3, that is 3 pi plus pi, that is 4 pi by 3, and is equal to minus as it is, and we substitute the value of sin pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. Therefore, here we write minus of root 3 by 2, and here also that sin of, here we take cross product, that is 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3 is equal to minus of root 3 divided by 2. That sin of 4 pi by 3 is equal to minus root 3 by 2, and here sin theta is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. Both the RHS are same, therefore we write the equality of their left hand sides. Therefore, sin theta is equal to sin of 4 pi by 3. Okay, and that 4 pi by 3 lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 4 pi by 3 is one of the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. And here that sin of 5 pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2. Here also right hand sides are equal. Therefore, we write the equality of their left hand sides, that is sin theta is equal to sin of 5 pi by 3. Here also 5 pi by 3 is lies between 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 3 is also the principal solution for given trigonometric equation. In that way, we have seen some examples on principal solution. In the next session, in the exercise 3.1, we will solve the examples on general solution. Okay, thank you.